y'all? Welcome back to another video with A Rich, man. Y'all already know I'm always doing something, always up to something. Today before work, I'm going to get some more tires for my car. My back tires is just, they out of there. I don't even know why they ain't busted yet, man. Somebody asked me did I have slicks on my car, they so bad, man. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out the car, but I'm gonna get some new tires today. I'm headed up here to Omar's. And I just thought about this. I'm not even headed up to the big Omar shop. I'm going to the baby Omar shop. I don't know why. I guess it's just a couple of X's away from my job. So I'm going up to them. It don't matter, man. It's Omar's, man. So from Dallas, man, you're going to get some rims, tires, anything. Go to Omar's, man. He's going to hook y'all up. He's going to give y'all a good price, man. And they got quality stuff up there, man. So I recommend go to Omar's, man. But I'm finna go get some new tires. I got 285s by 30s on the back, and I'm trying to go up, get 295 by 30s on the back, man. He gave me a good deal. I didn't even think about really just getting no tires that day, but you know how persuasive people can be. And I already need some new tires, so I'm getting new tires. But man, I'm finna get out here and show y'all what these back tires look like. Let me show y'all what I'm going to back here. See that? Look at that. Got no threads on there, man. Look at that. Got no meat on them things, man. Them things slick, man. Put these things on the track, man. Look at this. What's supposed to do with that? Hey, man, my curb checks. Don't talk about me, y'all. My curb check is the worst. I'm getting that fixed though. Like I get all of them fixed, man. I get a rim fixed every other month, man. It's crazy, but look at that. And let me show y'all my front tire. Look at that. That meat on them things and them others. There, man. See that? It's crazy. It's crazy. I see that. Shit a little dirty though. Let's go ahead and see what they got. And here though. Some of these new rims, man. Thinking about getting some new rims. My boy Him and Life keep asking me for my Hellcat replicas. If I get some new rims, I'm gonna give it to him. Let's see what they got. Yeah, like these though. These hard though. Damn. These. I like them too. Damn, man, I like these too. I think my boy Don just got one of these, man. It might not be one of these. It look like them the ones he got right there. It might not be it though, but I don't know. I like them. I was already thinking about getting some of these. Then my boy Don went up to Omar's and got some too. Hey, how much is these, bro?
2,500.
Okay. With the tires too? Them 22?
20.
20. How much for the 22?
22s are 2,800.
Okay. I like them. Like them too. Alright, so since we at the baby Omar's, they ain't got a lot of selection on rims, so I'm gonna have to go over there to the big Omar's shop, so I can look at their selection on rims, man. Them rims in there, I like them though. They probably got the same ones over there for the same price, but I like them too though. I don't know how they gonna look at my car though, but I don't know. I need some new rims, man. But I gotta wait 30, 45 minutes for my tires to come. Luckily, I'm like an exit away from my job, so I won't be late. I think I have enough time anyway, but I'll show y'all what it look like after I put the tires on. Hey, man, y'all see that, man? Look at that. Now that looks way better than the other tire. That looks way better than the other tire. 295 by 30s. Yeah, man, that looks way better. Way better. Now when I drive and I hit a corner, I don't drift. It's hot out there, man. Y'all see me, I got the new tires on, man. I needed them new tires, man. I've been out here driving dangerous. I've been driving fast. Every time I hit a corner or I turn the corner, I'm drifting. So I needed them new tires, man. Saw some new rims. But I think I'm gonna go to the other location on Buckner, Omar's, get some more rims. Well, to look at some rims. I'll possibly get them in the future. But yeah, man, I got the new bumper, but I got to get the little kit and stuff to go with it. I haven't found the hood yet, and I ain't got the rear bumper, man. That's crazy. Like the place I got the bumper from, I'm trying to go back, but they won't respond, and the address is not in my phone no more, so I can't just pull up on them. I tried to go in a little area to where it was at, couldn't find it, so I gave up. So I was trying to get all this done before Houston for the Mopar Fest, but I might just go and put that front bumper on and let Jay from A to Z wrap the front bumper, and then just get all the rest of the stuff, man, as I go. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. I couldn't get the lights. I couldn't get my lights done because the dude to do our lights, he overseas right now, so I gotta wait for him to get back. But I guess, man, I got the new tires, man, so for right now, I'm good. But thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe. I gotta go to work before I be late.